Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Relive on the application of Relive on the application of Relive. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this window here of Relive, and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. After that you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your phone and you will turn on your phone again, so please don't forget to support